Hey, what's up everybody? I thought I'd pop on here and make a quick video of my 1978 Firebird's console. It's in remarkable shape, just needs cleaning up. It's really dirty. Like I said, it's in very good shape, other than it's got one hole in it. Don't know how it happened, right there by the little storage tray. So I'm going to hit this with some LA Awesome diluted 10-to-1, and let's see how clean we can get her. Well, there you go. 10-to-1. LA's Awesome did an awesome job on cleaning this console. I'm going to paint it flat black with Duplicolors, vinyl and interior paint. And yeah, all I got to do now is just patch that hole. I got some JB Weld for plastic, and I'm going to try it out on that hole on the other side. But yeah, not bad for a 1978 console. So the directions on this JB Weld plastic weld says to cut the amount you need off, roll it, knead it, and then stick it to the surface. And it says to sand the surface to have the best chance for it to stick. So I sanded outside, and if you can see, I kind of scuffed it up on the inside. So I've got me an old arcade credit card type card cut up, and I'm going to put that on the back side to kind of give it some backing and build it up on the front. So let's try that and see how it goes. So I left it plenty high. It says that it's sandable, so we'll find out. I may have left it a little too high. But anyway, there's the look on the outside. And then there's the repair on the inside, and I just glued a piece of that credit card on there. But anyway, we'll let it dry overnight, see how it turns out, sand it, and maybe paint it tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, and the JB Weld has set up, and here's what it looks like. Now I've got it way too high, so I'm going to try grinding it down and then sanding it with some 80 grit. Well, my $14 Harbor Freight grinder's switch broke, so I guess I'll just try sanding it. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to add just a little bit more of the putty. It's kind of broke through the surface right there on that, if it'll focus right there on that edge. So let me add just a little bit more to it, and we'll try again. All right, I'm back at it today. It's day 3. I'm working on this console. I added some more JB Weld to it yesterday, and I'm going to sand this down and see if I can't get it smooth and get it ready to paint. Okay, I got it feathered out about as good as I'm going to get it. It's not going to be perfect, but hopefully it'll look a lot better than it did. Let's get a little primer on it, then I'm going to paint the entire thing flat black. Okay, so I sprayed a little primer over the repaired area, and as you can tell, you can still see the outline of where the hole is. So I picked me up some of this glazing and spot putty. I'm going to put this on here and see if that won't kind of make it look a little better. This hot heat, it dries really fast. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Come back and hit it with some 320 and see what we got. Okay, it's the next day and the spot putty is fully dried. So I'm gonna sand it and see what we got. All right, here comes the moment of truth. Let's see what this looks like. Well, it's not perfect, but I think I can live with that. All right, I got my redneck paint booth set up. I'm about to shoot this console with some. It's made by Duplicolor. It's vinyl and fabric specialty coating. So let's put a little light coat on it and see what we got. Let me go out here and put it in my oven, aka the Alabama Sun. We'll let it dry and I'll give you my final impressions. So here you go, here's the finished product. I think it turned out really good. And here's the repair area. It's hardly noticeable. So there you have it. Fixed a hole in my console with JB Weld plastic weld and glazing and spot putty, and finished it off with the Duplicolor vinyl and fabric dye. I say that project turned out pretty good. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me how you think I did. Tell me if you think you'd use this on your next project. This plastic weld says you can use it on bumpers. So the Firebird does have a crack in the front bumper. So I'm going to use it and I'll make a video on it. So we'll see you in the next one.